Have you done your spring cleaning? And I'm not talking about your garage. This is Jeff Jr. with Trajan Wealth, and it may be the last thing you want to do. I get it, especially during tax season. But this will help you save in the year ahead, and it may have a long-term impact on your finances. So today, I'm going to tell you the do's and the don'ts of financial spring cleaning. Number 1, audit your bank statements. It may seem like a huge chore, but you'll be shocked when you go through your spending and find the monthly and annual fees that have snuck in for so long. Make sure to be realistic with yourself. Subscription services and memberships count on you being lazy to cancel them and on over-optimism. Why keep 5 streaming services when you only use 1 or 2? And is that gym membership really paying off for the amount that you go? If you can't bring yourself to let go of certain memberships, try and find better deals elsewhere. These small bills add up over time, and what seems like a little now will bring on huge savings later on. Number 2, negotiate better deals. Get ready to spend some time on the phone because you really can get some of those monthly expenses down. Think of your insurance, phone, cable, and internet bills. You get the gist. Now trust me, once you bargain your way into a better deal, you won't be regretting the time that you take to call everyone. You can even see what other deals are out there and use that to your advantage. Again, most companies count on the fact that most people won't try this or do this. Think of all the money that you could be saving, then pick up the phone and start dialing. Number 3, declutter and reorganize your portfolio. Although your portfolio is ideal for you at one point in your life, a lot changes with time. Depending on how often you review your portfolio, your investment strategy may be entirely off target for you to reach your retirement goals. Market changes can skew the original allocation of your portfolio's assets. Plus, as you get closer to retirement, you may want to adjust your portfolio to better protect your wealth. At Trajan Wealth, we have this covered with reviews to ensure that our clients' portfolios stay aligned to their age, their risk tolerance, and of course their retirement goals. Here's what I will warn against if you're doing some financial spring cleaning. I say don't get too extreme. You may think that ending all streaming services and gym memberships is the budget that will get you back on track to your retirement goals, but that simply isn't the case. Life is about balance. Another tip is don't save all your money to your checking account. Though it's essential to have emergency funds, your money is just doing nothing sitting there. Put it in a high-yield savings account, or better yet, invest it instead. There, you make interest and can withdraw or transfer, and in most cases, without any fees. Finally, don't blow your tax refund or stimulus check. It may be tempting to take that large lump sum and go splurge on something that is going to give you that short-term satisfaction. If you take this money and reinvest it, or invest it and pay off any debt you may have, you'll be thanking yourself in the long term. Don't know what to do with all these savings? Feel overwhelmed? I don't blame you. That's why Trajan Wealth is here to help. We will review your portfolio and help you spring clean the right way. Plus, we can help you reinvest any savings you might get, leading to more significant long-term gain. So visit our website or give us a call. Until then, have an exceptional week.